my attempt at remaking WAEYS Steady Aim. Let's take a listen. Cool, so it's not fully exactly like it, but hope you appreciate I went my style a little bit with it because I was struggling to get it 100% bang on. Obviously they're coming up with some really cool sound design, and sorry about the baby crying in the background, and as well the microphone. I know you're complaining about the panning and stuff, it's not on purpose. I'm getting it sorted soon, getting a new sound card soon, so don't worry about this. So let's break this down now. Start with this sub. Now I added this sub in at the end, and it's just really basic. It's a sine wave with an FM, and it's at 0. If you listen without, you can barely hear it. With, and it just really warms it up. That's a good tip for the sub. Randoms are down. That's all that's going on there. Bit of attack, bit of release. Very simple, but that's a little good tip for you. Cool. Next is this bass group here, and it's got the clipper, and I've been using the clipper on the groups, and it just sort of reduces the peaks. And encloses it really nice. So I've got it on the drums and I've got it on the bass group, and I've been using it on certain basses, but I had to bounce it down because it's quite CPU intensive, this one. Got the gate, getting it to the kick, side chain, and there's a bit of reverb. And then if we jump into these basses now, this one, bit of a weird one. I was experimenting a lot with this, couldn't get it bang on really at all, but see what we did. Yep, I just done the FM from B, and then this one's octave 2 and 7, and then I've FM'd it from the sub as well. Got the phase filter, distortion, chorus, hyper, comb. So just coming up with some sort of noise, and then that was going with along with the sub there. And it's just 2 notes, and I think this song is a good example of what I've been teaching, because you've got your stabs, then you've got your main bass, which is just 2 notes and they're next to each other, and then you've got these energy pockets here, like you've got this fog here, or this 808. Proper cool. So also this project is available on the free Patreon, so I'll save it like this, so these presets will also be in there. So a few free presets for you. Jump onto the link below for that one. So where were we? Basically we've got that first one, and then I've sort of A-B'd it. So we've got, this is the B. So this one's the B. And this one has the Resampling on the spectral, and it's the, I've been playing with the wavetable. I've not done much with wavetables, but they're quite simple, and you just sort of play with the frequencies a bit. Let me know if there's any complex things you guys are doing with wavetables, what I might want to look at. But yeah, I'm quite new to wavetables other than that. But you can get some cool tones. I've just FM'd it as well. I've got the comb here, got the sub going on as well, and the direct out, and I've got this LFO1, it's 14T, and it's wubbing. It's wubbing this filter. Cool, and then there's the hyper, the chorus, and this mid shelf EQ. Nothing super special going on. And then it's sort of the response is this fog here. So we'll jump into that one. We've got the overdrive on it and the reverb. Oof, that 808 I'm quite proud of actually. Gotta save that. Got the clipper on there as well. Try it without the clipper. With. A lot better with. So you can see how the clipper comes in as a nice distortion almost, as well as limiting it kind of. Not limiting it, but it chops it. Which creates a bit of drive on it. But let's just quickly save this as so, bit of background noise for today going on. So what else have we got? These fogs were consisting of sines, and it's 2 octaves and +8 it seemed to be, and then the MIDI was just these 2 notes, D sharp and D, or E flat that is as well. Same note, D sharp, E flat. This one, not that one. This one here, well, we're going for that similar vibe, and I kind of failed, to be honest with you. I'll probably go for it again. I suppose that's a little bit similar-y. But we'll keep going on that sound. So it's got the ring mod EQ. This one is a square, and I've FM'd a sine through it and filtered it in this shape here, which I thought was cool. Not used that shape before, so I thought really cool. And it were off a copycat video I saw, so type copycat in, because he teaches you good stuff as well. Called Free Learning. This was a sample. Oh, okay, I just resampled the fog we just made because I cut the tail off because I wanted it to lead into this. And then this one, let me unfreeze, but it was actually the clipper that was killing it off. Right, anyway, so we'll jump into it. What is it? It's a Serum. It's got this EQ and saturator on it, and it is sine wave, and it's 2 octaves, and it's this square, this weird square. And then A and B on the filter, and the filter here, it's got the BPM switched off. And then touch the filter and make sure you've got that on there, automation, and this is what it's doing. Or maybe not, I've just wrecked it, but anyway, whatever it we're just doing is what we're doing. That's it for the bass. Now the drums, the drum group, got the clipper, same thing. Got the air, this just gives it that harmonics right, and the top that sparkle. And then EQ'd it like this. I've cut out that bit there, boosted it around here. It's sounding juicy, quite juicy and nice. Got these in the energy pockets. It's from the sample packs, 3 sample packs linked below. And then the claps, these are just some like roller type claps. They're just a bit quieter, but they're just this clap here. And there was 2 separate claps there, they're very similar. and then the hi-hat was like this, so that's 2 as well. Okay. Oh, kick, not the standard kick pattern with this one. And then in the energy pocket I got the to match the 808, and then it's that Neuro Stab sample from the sample pack. Just chopped a bit of one of the samples up, and this part here, it was like a subby part of the bass, so I added this to it. I've wrecked that bass now anyway, but that was just to compensate because it was lacking the higher, and it's all about balance, so I had to rebalance it. Other than that, some shakers here from the sample pack, light ones. That's a cymbal from the sample pack reversed. That's from the actual track. Just thought I'd get a bit of the vocal. And then this from the sample pack. I had to put the clipper on it. So yeah, so hopefully that's helped you for these styles of music, and I do think it were helping me to prove a point about the stabs, the ABs using the different basses there, and you just use 2 notes. He used D and D sharp, which is E flat. The energy pockets as well, he had the fog, then he had the 808 and the bits of breaks and stuff. So yeah, hope that's helped you.